Imagine being caught in a wave of colors so vibrant, it's as if the world itself has burst into bloom. People around you are laughing, dancing, and throwing clouds of colored powder into the air. This isn't just a festival. It's a full-blown explosion of joy and chaos. Welcome to Holi, one of the most vivid and exhilarating celebrations on earth. The essence of Holi. Holi is a festival that marks the arrival of spring in India. Often called the Festival of Colors, it symbolizes the victory of good over evil, the end of winter, and the blossoming of love. But it's more than just colorful powders and joyous dances. It's about communities coming together to heal, forgive, and start anew. This festival is a time when social barriers break down. Everyone is invited to join the vibrant festivities. Regardless of age, gender, or social status, Holi brings people together in a rare moment of shared happiness and equality. Holi isn't just significant for its splashes of color. It has deep roots in Hindu mythology, telling the story of Prahlad and Hiranyakashipu. According to the legend, Prahlad's devotion to Lord Vishnu saved him from the flames of his evil father. Holi keeps this story alive, emphasizing the triumph of devotion and goodness. The chaos of color. What makes Holi so incredibly unique is the sheer energy and chaos it inspires. Roaming through the streets during Holi, you'd find people covered head to toe in colors. Shops and offices close early, allowing everyone to join the fun. It's a day full of music, dance, and laughter. The colored powders, made from natural and artificial ingredients, are a crucial part of the celebration. People throw these powders, known as gulal, at each other. As the day progresses, vibrant colors cover every surface, transforming cities into swirling canvases of art. It's common to see water balloons flying, and people using water guns full of colored water. The spirited chaos is contagious. Even those who are shy find themselves swept up in the excitement. And this wild revelry isn't just limited to India. It spills out into other countries too, wherever Indian communities have settled. A surprising truth. Many people believe Holi is just about color and fun, but there's a lesser-known aspect that's just as important: the cleansing ritual of Holika Dahan. This ritual takes place on the eve of Holi and involves lighting bonfires to burn evil spirits. It's a purification of sorts, symbolizing the mental and physical cleansing of the past year's negativity. This part of the celebration might surprise those who only think of the festival as a chaotic dance of colors. However, for locals, it's a cherished moment that reflects the festival's deeper significance: renewal and purification. Isn't it fascinating how a celebration known for its external vibrancy also values inner peace and cleansing? Traditions that bind. Beyond the vibrant festivities, Holi is filled with traditions that unite families and communities. Preparing sweets like gujia and dishes like puran poli bring families together in the days leading to Holi. These culinary efforts aren't just about eating. They're about passing down age-old recipes and stories through generations. Music is another integral part of Holi. Traditional folk songs, often accompanied by drums, fill the air. These songs tell tales of love and mischief, especially the playful romance between Lord Krishna and Radha. It's these stories that add a rich layer of culture to the colorful chaos. Yet Holi wouldn't be complete without the throwback to Rang Panchami, a 5-day extension of the main festival in some parts of India. This continuation keeps the spirit of Holi alive, with more controlled celebrations that emphasize harmony and community bonding. What do you think is the most important aspect of a festival like Holi? Holi beyond borders. Holi is no longer confined to the borders of India. As a cultural ambassador, it has traveled across the globe. In cities far from India, Holi becomes a way for the Indian diaspora to share their vibrant heritage. It's a celebration that bridges cultures, inviting everyone to join the colors of spring. In places like New York, London, and Sydney, Holi events have become mighty popular. These celebrations often merge traditional practices with local flavors, creating a unique blend of cultures. Here, people revel in a shared human connection, brought together by the joys of Holi. These international celebrations help dispel myths and misconceptions about India and its traditions. Through Holi, non-Indians get a chance to experience a slice of Indian culture, understanding its richness and vibrancy firsthand. The simple joys of Holi. At its heart, Holi is about joy, pure, unadulterated happiness that transcends boundaries. Whether it's children squealing with delight as they splash colors, elders reminiscing with friends and family, or strangers sharing a friendly smile covered in gulal, Holi brings out the best in people. It's a celebration that reminds us of the power of togetherness, illustrating how a shared human experience can create endless joy. In a world often filled with troubles, Holi offers a fleeting moment where we can forget our differences and simply live in the moment. Perhaps that's why Holi feels so crazy and chaotic, but at the same time, profound and meaningful. It's a jubilant reminder that life, although unpredictable and messy, is a wild, colorful journey worth celebrating.